You join me today on Kineton Road, based in Boldmere, Sutton Coldfield. We're on your doorstep. You have easy access to everything that Boldmere and Sutton Coldfield has to offer. I'm here to present this 3-bedroom semi-detached home. The downstairs boasts a separate living room, WC and a fabulous kitchen diner leading out to the garden, and upstairs 3 bedrooms and a family bathroom. I can't wait for you to see it. I'm from the Avenue. Let's go and take a look around 39 Kineton Road. Thank you for joining me on this video tour of 39 Kineton Road. I'm sure you'll agree that the location is fabulous, but not only that, the home itself. If you'd like any further information or to book a viewing, then please contact me on the details that follow. I look forward to seeing you here for a viewing very soon.